Good morning, and thank you for joining me, Coach Mike, on your Monday morning. For any of you who are in business today, I have one question for you. Are you repairing your business, or are you preparing your business? Let me explain what I mean by that. Repairing your business. You haven't put the right structure in place. You haven't put the right systems in place. You haven't got clear on your ideal person that represents your brand and fits in and aligns with the culture of your organization. You might not even have a well-articulated culture for your organization. You might not have an onboarding process for your team to make sure they're trained properly and take them through the whole path. If you don't have all this in place, you're consistently repairing your business, because systems is all about saving yourself stress, time, energy, and money. And most smaller business owners will say, oh my God, I just don't have the time to put the systems in place. But then a day becomes a week, becomes a month, becomes a year, 5, 10, 20, and you're still a hamster on a wheel 20 years later in your business because you never took the time to put the systems in place. If you don't have the right onboarding system and hiring system and process for aligning the people into the culture, and if you don't have a culture, you're consistently hiring, onboarding, and losing people because they don't stick. So you're repairing, spend more time, energy, effort, and money replacing people that leave. Now let's talk about preparing your company, getting clear on your vision like I talked about a week ago. Exactly what it looks like, where your organization is going, how you want to show up in the world, how you want to show up in your industry. You're clear on your vision and your mission. You've created a culture to properly align the people to represent your brand. So they either fit into your brand and representation of your company, or they don't. You have systems in place. So the team is working the systems, and the systems are working for the company. You're clear, exactly clear on how everything works. The chain of command, you're having your weekly meetings, the communication is solid. You're using behavioral assessments in your hiring process and in your sales training, so people know the different type of personalities and how they need to adjust to communicate better with both the customers and their team. This way, you're preparing your company for one day to hit that destination, whether it be franchise, sold, transitioned, or whatever it may be. So you have to ask yourself the question, are you consistently repairing your company because you haven't taken the time to do everything right in the beginning? Or are you preparing your company to one day be sold for a lot of money? It's a simple question. Depending on how you answer that question will determine whether you need somebody like me or not. So think about it. If you need a little help getting clear, feel free to reach out. If you have any comments or thoughts or questions, feel free to put them in the comments below. If you have somebody else you know that think might need some help in this area, feel free to share this video. As always, I want to thank you for joining me, Coach Michael, on your Monday morning. I hope you're preparing your business for lots of success and abundance. And I will see you next Monday. Be well. Go get it.